Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda Deluxe C50 from 1994, or 5 I should say, in a bottle green colour. Decent enough nick overall, good running little bike, riding very nicely. Front tyre on it is basically new, it's not even worn off the red. Colouring there, front mudguard is some minor little chipping there. Overall pretty good. Standard headlights and indicators. Chrome spoked wheels are in nice condition. Engine head in good condition as well. Often you see them very rusty. Up over the top we have a little bit of rubbing here on the left and right hand side, but switchgear all in nice condition. Taxed 1024, so just up really. And we're going through here, a little bit of surface on the foot peg here. Original exhaust. Side panels are good, a little bit of a mark here in it, and up and over underneath is nice and clean. Japanese bike, we brought it in originally, sold it, and the customer has traded it back in with us. Little bit of, again, surfacing at the back here. Indicators original, brake light original. Got a bit of a scabbiness at the rear mudguard here, and rear tire is basically brand new. We have everything here all good. We've serviced it, it's all ready to go. It's running really nicely. Chain guard is present even with the service block here. Main stand on the bike. Everything looking okay. I mean, it's a really nice little thing for what it is. Up and over. Everything lovely. So that's it, a little C50. That's the visuals. Let's go for a spin. Okay, we're on the little C50. When I get her going, I mean, oops. There we go, pretty easy. Yeah, little C50, we've done loads of these. I mean, how many of these have we done? Oop, Jesus, sorry. Went into gear too early there. And my indicator on as well. This one's running quite nicely actually. Feel a bit of power from it. Back brake working. Into first gear. Second gear. I still have my light on, my indicator even. Yeah, a little C50. I mean, these are so well known now through us. One thing with these are C50s, you should always rev them out all the way through to the top. You have an indicator on your dash on when you should change gear. You can see here it kind of tells you the speed roughly when you should be changing, so you kind of want to get the most out of them, and in terms of the revs, if you want to get the speed going. So horn working there nicely, front headlamp is working there as well. Up the hill 50 kph. Front brake is working nicely. Go into a little first gear here. And into second. Down the hill we go. All the way. Plenty of speed. Up to 60 kph. It's actually well for it. Really nice bit of pace off this engine. It's working very nicely indeed. A lot of them are typical, like you just don't know. A lot of times you don't know what state the carb is in, or the engine, or whatever else. It's a very good indicator when the bike is that strong to do that kind of speeds quite easily as well. Is that a car? Okay, no, it's okay. Now we're going to turn left, we'll go through all the electrics. You've seen the horn, the indicators are working, we'll get the front headlamp as well. So, up and over the ramp, in and left and up to the usual spot. I would go through everything. And we get into neutral as well. So down into first and into neutral. So there we have the Honda C50. The front headlamp will come on better when you get the revs up. We've got the indicators again. See, when the revs are up, you'll get the right indicator working, and then same on the left hand side. And you see that front headlamp working better there as well. It's all just part of the C50-ness of everything. So stopping, starting, idling, going through all the gears, all the lights working, horn working, everything like that. Superb little bottle green C50. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at RetroBikeSummon for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesummon.com. Thanks for watching.